Today we're going to be doing the installation and review of this new it's a tank bag from Tusk. Is the large size. We're going to do the installation of the bag on this Transalp 2025, the 750, the XL750, and I'm going to be doing the review also of why I decided to go with this one instead of all the other versions that you can find on the internet. Let's proceed now to see what is inside of the box. And inside we also have these elastic straps that I'm going to explain right now how to install it and how they're going to be used. This is very helpful to when you need to remove the bag from the tank. The straps are going to remain in position, so you don't need to be disassembling everything every time that you need to take it off. So let's proceed now to see what are the features on this new bag. As you can see, they have big compartments inside, very convenient if you have a drone, if you have a tablet, if you have your tools inside. The battery chargers, everything that you're gonna keep is a lot of room. It's also plenty of pockets inside, so you can storage many things. It also comes with a clear top where you can put a tablet with your GPS and be navigating using these. And on the top it has a pocket here where the cable can be from the top. For example, I have it here. It can go connected internally and charge whatever you have inside, either the drone, the batteries of the cell phone, or anything that you have, while it's protected from the rain. So let's proceed now to install the straps to the motorcycle to see how it looks, and you guys can follow the procedure. As you can see, we have 3 straps for installing it into the motorcycle. This one with the 2 connectors is the one that is going to go on the front, and the side ones that you can make like a lasso to connect it to the bottom and then adjust it to the length that you need. So I'm going to proceed right now to put it on the motorcycle so you can see how they get installed. The first one that we're going to do is the top one, that is give us the height and the position on the tank. Is gonna be this one. So in here, as you can see, we use this part of the chassis with the lasso that comes. We have the lower position, now we have the top position. Now we're gonna use the elastic straps to keep the bottom now always in the right position where we want to keep it. Okay, now that we finally have the upper straps installed with elastic band so they don't go anywhere, same as the bottom, as you can see, they are connected to the chassis, and also they're going to remain here in position even if the bag is removed. We're going to proceed to define where we want to keep these set up on the motorcycle. So we have here the upper straps, and now the lower strap, one here and the other one here. So something important is to be sure that your gas cap is not covered, so that you can be able to fill the gas on the motorcycle, and also you have enough space to jump in on the motorcycle and this doesn't bother you while you're driving or you are getting in or getting out. So more or less I will say that this is the perfect position. So let's now just pull these 2 upper straps to adjust it. And this is how it looks. So far, this is a good position. If it is too tight, you can always just pull this and it will release a little bit. the tension of the straps. So let's do here. So this is how it looks installed on the motorcycle. It's very solid, it doesn't move anywhere. And the most important thing is that you can jump into the motorcycle and it doesn't interfere with you at all to manipulate, to drive the motorcycle, and is extremely accessible to everything that you have here. So you just jump, you have here, you can take your drone, you can take your cameras, you can take anything that you're using here. You're traveling here, you can put your passport, your cell phone, anything that you need. It also has this pocket for the tablet if you're gonna have one for GPS. Put it here. It also has headphones connection here. It has the hole for the cable to connect it to the USB charger, so if you want to charge anything inside. It's something very nice. I'm gonna move the camera right now so you can see it. Is internally it has elastic straps all the way, so you can put the batteries, the microphone, you can put anything that you need for personal use, for quick access. So you are driving, you need to stop, you need to grab something, you open, you have everything here. So you don't need to go to your backpack, you don't need to go to the back bag on the side ones on the back, and I think this is very convenient. And the most important is waterproof. So if it is raining, nothing inside is gonna get wet. Now, if you want extra protection when you have your motorcycle, let's say you go down for eating or something, it also comes with this additional protector that you just put it on top of it and covers it when you are not using it. If it is a heavy rain and anything, it will protect it from dust, it will protect it from water, it will protect it from anything. Even when the motorcycle is just on your garage or park outside, it will do the protection of the bag when it's not being used.